Hello and good evening, friends. Welcome back to Shakuntlam classes exclusively for B.Ed studies. And today I am going to share another question paper of DDU University, and the subject is History Pedagogy. This question paper is of 100 marks, and the paper contains two sections, that is section A and B. The time limit is 3 hours. So starting with the first question, and the question 1 is the compulsory question in every paper. So question 1 is of 5 marks each. Each question contains 5 marks and the word limit is 250. So starting with the A1, question number A is micro teaching. Question number B, what do you understand by history? Question number C, merits of short answer type examination, and question number D is material aids in history teaching. So question 1 contains subsections A, B, C, D. Coming on to the next part of the question paper, that is section A. From here the word limit will increase and the answer has to be in 1000 words, and the question will contain 20 marks each. So answer has to be in 1000 words and the marks is 20. So starting with the first question, what should be the aims of teaching history at middle level and why? मिडिल स्तर पर इतिहास शिक्षण के क्या उद्देश्य होने चाहिए और क्यों? Question number 3 is, what is the meaning of test? What are the characteristics of a good test? परीक्षण से क्या अभिप्राय है? एक अच्छे परीक्षण की क्या विशेषताएं हैं? Question 4 is, define problem solving method of history teaching and explain implementation of problem solving method for teaching your history students. इतिहास शिक्षण की समस्या समाधान विधि को परिभाषित कीजिए तथा अपने इतिहास शिक्षण के विद्यार्थियों को पढ़ाने में विधि के क्रियान्वयन का वर्णन कीजिए. Sometimes it happens that some questions are out of the box or they are not the repeated question of the previous year. So you don't have to panic. Just try to answer the question in your own words. You have the concept of history pedagogy, so you will be able to answer. You just have to play with the answer. And the last question from section A is question number 5. What do you understand by lesson plan in history teaching? Prepare a lesson plan for teaching history in 8 class students. So there is a little bit mistake in the question, but no problem. इतिहास शिक्षण में आप पाठ योजना से क्या समझते हैं? कक्षा 8 के विद्यार्थियों को इतिहास पढ़ाने हेतु एक पाठ योजना बनाइए. So lesson plan is a very important part for all the pedagogy subject. So if you haven't prepared for the subject in a proper way, so try to solve all the repeated questions from the previous year and learn the lesson plan at least. If the question is of when you know the question is of 20 marks, so if you write the lesson plan correctly, you will be able to score the full marks. Now coming on to section B. Now from here you have to answer only 2 questions from this section, but there will be sub parts under the questions. For example, question number 6 will have A and B. Now both the parts have to be answered. The word limit is of 500 words, and from here the question is of 10 marks. So section B, 2 questions you have to attempt and the question will have 10 marks each. Starting with question number 6, what is the meaning of curriculum? Discuss the main principles of करिकुलम कंस्ट्रक्शन इन हिस्ट्री। पाठ्यक्रम का क्या अर्थ है? इतिहास में पाठ्यक्रम निर्माण के प्रमुख सिद्धांतों की विवेचना कीजिए। Moving on to part B of question number 6. Questioning is an important strategy in history teaching. How? इतिहास शिक्षण में प्रश्न पूछना एक महत्वपूर्ण कार्यनीति है। कैसे? So these questions has to be answered by using your IQ. These has to be not given in the book. Next question is question number 7. Prepare a micro teaching plan for practice of questioning skill for pupil teacher of history. इतिहास विषय के छात्राध्यापक के प्रश्न परीक्ष कौशल के अभ्यास हेतु एक सूक्ष्म शिक्षण पाठ योजना तैयार कीजिए। पार्ट बी, व्हाट इज प्रोजेक्ट मेथड? राइट इट्स मेरिट्स एंड डीमेरिट्स। योजना विधि क्या है? इसके गुण एवं दोष लिखिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज व्हाट इज द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन इन लेसन प्लानिंग? पाठ योजना में प्रस्तावना का क्या महत्व है? पार्ट बी ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ फील्ड ट्रिप इन हिस्ट्री टीचिंग। इतिहास शिक्षण में भ्रमण की उपयोगिता। एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम सेक्शन नंबर बी इज question number 9. Write short notes on short storytelling method and team teaching in history. कहानी कथन विधि इतिहास में टोली शिक्षण. So with this the question paper ends. The questions are very easy. Some of the questions are little bit typical, but the answers are quite easy. If you are interested to know that how to write an answer, how to write an effective answer in your B.Ed question paper, let me know in the comment section. I will be soon sharing the answer writing video with you all. And if you like my video, please share it among your friends and subscribe to my channel Shakuntalam Classes. Thanks for watching.